Hai semua para guru, ibu bapa yang Hai semua para guru, ibu bapa
Tahniah.
yang dihormati
Secara
dan
langsung
para
ini
pelajar
dibawakan
yang
khas
berbahagia
kepada
sekalian.
anda oleh
Selamat
Akademi
datang ke
YouTuber Malaysia,
Pusat Tuisyen Academy
sebuah
YouTuber.
inisiatif e-didik Malaysia dan Kelab Guru Malaysia. Tumpukan perhatian anda secara langsung akan bermula sebentar lagi. Link sijil akan diberikan di hujung siaran ini. Pastikan diisi dalam tempoh yang ditetapkan. Terima kasih.
Hai semua para guru, ibu bapa yang dihormati dan para pelajar yang cikgu kasihi sekalian. Selamat datang ke Pusat Tuisyen Academy YouTuber, usaha sama e-didik Malaysia dan Kelab Guru Malaysia. Bermula percuma, selamanya percuma. Untuk mendapatkan keberkatan kelas kita pada petang ini, mari kita sama-sama mulakan kelas dengan bacaan doa mengikut agama masing-masing. Apa khabar para pelajar yang cikgu kasihi semua? Harap semuanya berada dalam keadaan baik dan bersedia untuk meneruskan kelas kita pada petang ini. Cikgu percaya pelajar-pelajar dah tidak sabar untuk mengikuti kelas kita kali ini. Cikgu memperkenalkan diri terlebih dahulu. Nama saya Cikgu Tais dari Kolej Matrikulasi Selangor selaku moderator pada petang ini. Hari ini kelas Tuition Biology Pra-U. Pada petang ini, kita bersiaran secara langsung dari channel Cikgu FATHIAH. Sesiapa yang belum subscribe Cikgu FATHIAH, silalah tekan butang subscribe sebagai tanda sokongan kepada Cikgu FATHIAH. Untuk makluman semua pelajar, nama penuh beliau ialah Cikgu FATHIAH binti Mansur dari Pusat Tingkatan 6 SNK Sri Sedang. Tajuk yang akan disampaikan oleh Cikgu FATHIAH pada petang ini ialah Sex Linked Genes Inherited, khas untuk pelajar matrikulasi dan STPM. Pelajar dan para penonton lain dialu-alukan untuk mempelajari topik ini. Kelas ini akan berlangsung lebih kurang 1 jam. Bersama cikgu pada petang ini ialah Cikgu Lau Chai Wee, Cikgu Kimia dari Pusat Tingkatan 6 SNK Tinggi Kelang sebagai control host, Cikgu Nur Faizat Ahmad merupakan Ketua Panitia sebagai pemerhati kehormat, Cikgu Mawar, Cikgu Kimia dari Pusat Tingkatan 6 SNK Sultan Abu Bakar Kuantan sebagai pemerhati. Sebelum kita meneruskan kelas kita, ingin cikgu ingatkan semua pelajar dan penonton yang ingin menghantar komen agar menggunakan bahasa yang sopan dan gambar profil yang bersesuaian untuk tontonan umum. Sila fokus pada isi pelajaran yang akan disampaikan dan hanya menggunakan ruang chat untuk menjawab soalan atau jika ada soalan yang tak diajukan. Pada akhir siaran ini, link e-sijil akan diberikan dan anda hanya ada 30 minit sahaja untuk mengisi maklumat. Pastikan menggunakan email e-didik sahaja. Cikgu percaya semua yang hadir pada petang ini merupakan pelajar-pelajar cemerlang dan mari kita tunjukkan disiplin yang terbaik. Oleh itu, cikgu harap semua memberi sepenuh tumpuan semasa kelas bersiaran hari ini. Tanpa buang masa lagi, kita serahkan kelas kepada Cikgu FATHIAH. Kita silakan Cikgu FATHIAH.
Thank you very much Cikgu Tang. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Very good afternoon to all beloved students outside there, also all teachers and parents that together with us for this afternoon. Thank you very much for joining my class. Thank you Cikgu Tang as my moderator. Together here also my beloved KP for Biology Academy YouTuber AYU, Cikgu Faizah. Thank you Cikgu Faiza for your guidance in Academy YouTuber, especially in conducting the StreamYard. Also thank you Cikgu Vivi Lau as control host and also Cikgu Mawa as pemerhati. Before I start my class, let get a brief introduction about myself. Okay, my name is Cikgu Fathiah binti Mansur. Currently, I teaching at SMK Sri Sedang Selangor since 2010. Teaching experience about 29 years. I starting my career as a teacher in 1991. For teaching Form 6, experience about 20 years. Please visit my channel, Cikgu FATHIAH66. Here is profile of Cikgu Faiza, my KP Biology for Academy YouTuber. She teaching at College Matrikulasi Negeri Sembilan, teaching experience about 25 years, 10 years teaching for Pra-U in College Matrikulasi Negeri Sembilan. Please visit channel Cikgu Faiza. Also we have in biology team, we have Cikgu Nur Naini Harun from Pusat Tuisyen AYU SMK Sultan Sulaiman, Kuala Terengganu. Teaching experience about 23 years, 17 years teaching for Form 6. Her channel, YouTube channel is Cikgu Nur Naini HR. InsyaAllah soon we will have another teacher in team biology, Pra-U, Cikgu Wawa from College Matrikulasi Pahang. She will joining us in our team biology, Tuisyen AYU soon. Alright, together with us in Pra-U, we have channel mathematics that lead by Teacher Im. Also the team, in the team mathematics, we have Teacher Aidin and Cikgu Zana. Their tuition class for mathematics Pra-U is every Saturday at 5 p.m. Next, we have member, the chemistry team member, 3 of them in our studio, which is Cikgu Tang as our moderator. Hi Cikgu Tang. Also, we have Cikgu Vivi Lau. Hi Cikgu Vivi Lau and also Cikgu Mawa. In the team chemistry, the KP is Cikgu Shanun. Next, we go to the group perkaunan for account student. So, we have here Cikgu Madam Fizi and also Cikgu Yati. Other subject STPM, we have pengajian am, MUID, pengajian perniagaan and perkaunan. Right. Alright, this is the website www.academyyoutuber.com. So this is the Pusat Tuisyen AYU. Sekali percuma selamanya percuma. You can access the website and you can find out many videos, especially the playlist video for the Pra-University. That is the little bit information about the Pra-U team in Academy AYU. Alright, what is the topic for today, for our tuition today? So our topic is sex linkage inheritance. Okay, let we what we call see or watch this picture. So do you ever heard the story of the Lazar of Russia? So the pictures show the family of Lazar, Nicholas II and Zarina Alexandra. They have 4 children, 4 children, and 1 son, Alexei. The son has mysterious disease, or we call as bleeding disease. That day they don't know about that disease. Nowadays we known as hemophilia. The government issue due to the illness of their son play a role in the downfall of Russia monarchy, which have ruled Russia for 300 years. And then Romanov family were killed in 1980. The gravesite was discovered in 1979 and was exhumed and have identified by DNA analysis. And then they were re-entered by 1989 after 80 years, murdered. They re-entered. But the remains of Alexei and Anastasia are not found. Their remains were found in 2007. How does our family got the disease? This hemophilia disease. The disease came from their ancestor, Queen Victoria from England. So, as a result, Queen Victoria descendants have hemophilia, which all of them are male. And as a result, marrying the what we call two daughters married to other European royal family, the Princess Alice and Beatrice. Alice and Beatrice, they have carrier in hemophilia. So they spread hemophilia to Russia, Germany and Spain. Alright, what are sex-linked gene? So this is the what we call the photo by the microscope electron about the X chromosome and Y chromosome. What is the sex-linked gene? Sex-linked gene is gene located on the sex chromosome. And what is the sex-linked trait? The trait controlled by the sex chromosome. Okay, each human cell has 46 chromosomes, which is 23 pairs in total, and the 22 are autosome, which is not sex chromosome. One pair of sex chromosome. So, if male, if female, they have XX chromosome. So this one show the male chromosome. The sex chromosome actually for sex determination, but there are some genes located in the X chromosome and Y chromosome. Because the size of the X chromosome is bigger compared to the Y chromosome, so more gene located in the X chromosome. Okay, sex-linked gene inheritance is the inheritance of characters linked to a particular sex. Okay, this show the human karyotype for male and female. Okay, what is the sex-linked trait? Sex-linked trait show up much more often in male because males do not have a matching X chromosome to mask a recessive allele. Which when a recessive allele is present in a male, it will be expressed. Only homozygous female can express a recessive trait, while heterozygous female are carrier, but phenotypically normal. Okay. Okay, sex-linked gene inheritance is studied by Thomas Han Morgan. Last time, teacher sharing about the linked gene. So linked gene and sex-linked gene inheritance is studied by Professor Thomas Han Morgan. Study heredity in fruit fly in 1907. So fruit fly has 4 pairs of chromosome. So 3 chromosome is autosome and 1 pair of sex chromosome. So this is female fruit fly, and this one is male fruit fly that has XY chromosome. Female has XX chromosome. So Morgan from his study noticed that some males has white eyes. It has white eyes. It is a mutant actually. Okay. And the red eye is a wild type, either heterozygous or homozygous, dominant, the red eyes. Okay, in the study, Morgan breed the mutant white eye male to red eye female, breed. And then for F1 generation, he observed that 100% the what we call the Drosophila all have red eyes because the red eyes is a dominant phenotype. Okay. Alright. And then it interbreed the F1 generation, the F2 generation it produce red eye, 3 red eye, female red eye, and then male red eye and female red eye, 3 red eye, and 1 white eye. So Morgan it concluded that the eye color must then be sex-linked. Okay, this is the cross. So legend here, what we call, let we write plus for the red eye, big W for white eye. So this is we call as the genetic diagram. When you do the genetic diagram, you must, what we call student, okay, you must write parent, gamete. Gamete, usually we make a circle, but some it's okay. But you must have the arrow from the parent go to gametes, and then F generation must have the line. If you not draw the line, it is not correct. So this is for the F1 generation. All have red eye. Okay. Then interbreed. So F generation, it got 2 female red eye, 1 male red eye, and 1 male. What we call white eye. All right. Okay. So to verify his hypothesis, the white eye trait is X-linked, Morgan conducted an additional cross. In this experiment, Morgan crossed heterozygous F1 red eye from cross 1 with the white eye male. It is similar to the test cross. It is like a test cross. Test cross is we call both homozygous recessive. So what we get from the F1 generation, get female, red eye female, white white eye female, red eye male, and white male. So no, there are white eye in the female. In order to find out the mystery absence of white eye color in female F2 generation cross 1, Morgan performed another cross between white eye with red eye male. In F generation, all female fly were red eye and all fly were white eye. Okay, check here. White eye female breed with red eye male. So F generation, red eye female, red eye female, white eye male, and get white eye male for F1 generation. Okay, result all female are red eye and all male are white eye. This result obtained is not the same as expected from the normal Mendelian ratio. This shows that the pattern of inheritance of eye color is dependent on X chromosome. Therefore, it was concluded that the gene for eye color is located on the X chromosome. That is the study by Morgan about the sex-linked gene. Okay. Morgan concluded that gene for eye color in fruit fly was X-linked gene, that the X chromosome has it and Y does not. Okay, what is a sex-linked gene in human? In human, certain diseases occur more frequently in males than they do not in female and show a pattern of inheritance consistent with sex linkage. Example, hemophilia. Just now, teacher, Cikgu mentioned about the disease for the Tsar, Nicholas, what we call their son, And then red green color blindness, male pattern baldness, botak tu, baldness is also in the character is link in the X chromosome, and muscular dystrophy. Okay, what is hemophilia? Okay, hemophilia is caused by a mutated recessive gene found on the X chromosome. Okay, no question. In hemophilia, there is a reduced ability of blood to clot due to the lack of clotting factor. Tak ada yang tanya. This normally leads to protected external and or external bleeding even from trivial wound, the hemophilia. So this is the hemophilia person, and we call what we differentiate the normal and hemophilia person. So the normal person, when injured, so it can what we call produce the clotting factor, causes a strong platelet plug to the form. The hemophilia person lack the clotting factor, causes a weak platelet plug to the form. For the normal person, a stable fibrin clot form over the platelet plug as the final seal on the injury. But this hemophilia what we call patient, incomplete and delay fibrin clot allow bleeding to continue. Okay, the symptom of hemophilia, bruises, and then when hurt, when what we call injured, so the blood cannot stop bleeding. Okay, the X-linked hemophilia affect male more than female. Male, the ratio 1/10,000, while in female 1/100 million. Is that true? 100 million. Human female is homogametic and has 2 chromosomes. In female, if one X chromosome carries the recessive allele for hemophilia, its effect will be masked by a normal dominant allele on the other X chromosome. So heterozygous female are carrier, then do not suffer from hemophilia but may pass the defective allele to their offspring. So we call as inheritance sex, sex link, inheritance. A female only inherits the disease if both the allele are recessive. In human male, it is heterogametic. So when the recessive allele for the hemophilia is carried in the single X chromosome, it will not be masked and the person will be affected by hemophilia. Until now, hemophilia was treatable, and only a few hemophilic survive to reproductive age because any small cut or internal hemorrhaging after even a minor bruise will fatal. Okay, this is the what we call the genetic diagram, how to show the inheritance of hemophilia. Let we write a legend here. X big H chromosome is allele for normal blood clotting. X small h recessive allele for hemophilia. Y is Y chromosome. So parent, when you do the genetic diagram, must write parent, phenotype. So phenotype must mention here male normal, and also here you must must write X. Right, meaning married for human breeding for animal. Female normal carrier, genotype X big H because normal, and Y male, X big H, X small h carrier. So and then you must put arrow, gametes for gamete, so X big H Y, after meiosis will produce gamete. For carrier, X big H, X small h. Alright, and then you can do the Punnett square. Some what we call objective question. Just you draft the Punnett square. No need to draw the complete genetic diagram. So female gamete X big H, X small h. Why we write here half? Because female gamete and male gamete has possibility half. Alright. Still we have time before take rest.
Yeah.
So okay. When male gamete X big H will produce X big H. Here X big H, X big H, X small h. For this combination Y, so we'll what we call produce progeny male. X big H Y here, X small h Y. F generation genotype will get XBH. What is the phenotype? So for every level of the generation, you must put genotype and phenotype. And then you write the phenotype. Normal female. Okay, probability we get here for X big H is 1/4. Here kan, 1/4. Probability all is 4 probability for female. X big H, X small h, normal female carrier, 1/4 probability. For male, normal male, here is we get normal male, also 1/4. Here is the hemophiliac male, because it has in the X chromosome X small h. Okay, father without hemophilia and carrier mother. Just now it will produce son without hemophilia, and then daughter carrier of hemophilia, son hemophilia, and daughter not a carrier of hemophilia gene. One normal, one carrier for female, and then son have hemophilia and son without hemophilia. Father with hemophilia and mother with, who is not a carrier. Father hemophilia, mother without hemophilia, not carrier. Normal. So everybody can try Punnett square. Tak ada. Okay, tak apa, cikgu teruskan je. So for X big H, X small h, father hemophiliac person, hemophiliac person. So it will get, okay. So here normal. One more minute habiskan dululah. Cikgu will finish for this part. So probability female, one carrier is this one carrier female, half is carrier male, half is normal. Father is hemophiliac person, mother is normal person. Will the progeny will have carrier 1/2, male 1/2, normal. Okay. Red, green, color blindness. Okay, inability to distinguish between red and green. Okay, caused by a recessive allele. Second, okay, second, what we call the sex-linked gene inheritance, caused by recessive allele on the X chromosome. Okay, in human, normal vision is completely dominant to red, green, color blindness. So this is a type of color blindness. Actually, normal person, population in the world, 90% has a normal vision. Due to normally, you can what we call differentiate compare. This is the what we call the type of color blindness. Actually, color blindness, it has a range. Not all have just gray. This acrometopsia, it has gray vision. Doesn't cannot see all color.
Cikgu Fathiah, can we stop for a while for a break?
Boleh. Okay. Okay, we will stop for 1 minute, and then we will continue. Okay.
Okay.
Alah, apa ni? PKPB lagi. SPM pula ditangguhkan. Jenuhlah nak bayar yuran tuition. Pernah dengar tentang tuition percuma? Kami di Akademi YouTuber menyediakan tuition online secara percuma kepada anda semua. Ada prasekolah, sekolah rendah, sekolah menengah, STPM, juga untuk matrikulasi. Percuma je. Jom layari laman sesawang www.academyyoutuber.com.
Okay, so Cikgu Fathiah, you may continue the class.
Okay, we continue. So this is the color blind test. Okay, the person that cannot see the number inside, consider a color blindness. The red green. What is the number? You can see number 12. If you cannot see, so you are not color blindness person. Okay, this one. What number?
6.
Okay, 6. Okay. Okay, you are not color blindness. And then here, this is more difficult. So 74. So I'm not a color blindness. I can see all the number. Okay, so this is the what we call the genetic. How to we can get the genotype and phenotype for the red green color blindness. So before you do the genetic what we call diagram, so you must write the legend first. X chromosome, XC, X big C chromosome with allele for normal red green color vision. And then X small c with recessive allele for red green color blindness. Y is Y chromosome. So when you draw the diagram, so you have put must parent, you can write P, and then you must write the phenotype and phenotypes and genotypes of the parent. Also male red green color blindness, male must have here big X small c, and then female here normal, so X big C, X big C. And then you must also remember, you must put here cross. If in the question you not put cross, you cannot get the mark. And then here you have write the arrow. Arrow meaning it will produce gametes. After meiosis, X small c. Okay. You have to write the, actually you have to, this is the gamete. So for the what we call, how to get the F1, the progeny, you can draw or write using Punnett square here. But if in the question ask you to draw the what we call genetic diagram, you must draw, and then you must put the line, the line that join the gamete, from female and male. But if especially in what we call objective or some question, just need the student to write, give the genotype, give phenotype, no need to do the diagram. So you can write here, so X small c, X big C, so it will produce carrier here. So here is female, X small c, X big C, carrier female, and here X Y, X big male color blindness. So here is so big C, so normal. Big C, Y, normal. Male Okay. So genotype, yeah. So F1 generation, all female, normal vision, carrier. Male has normal vision, and then you must write the phenotype, female, normal color vision, carrier, and then probability 1/2, 1/2, ratio 1:1. Okay. Man with normal color blindness married a woman with carrier color blindness. Okay. You can try. Ada cuba tak? Macam tak ada
Tak ada lagi.
Tak ada I continue
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
X big C carrier. So X big C female normal. Here female carrier lah, because here is small c. Okay. X big C Y normal male, and here what we call X small c Y color blindness. Okay. Okay. So other what we call sex link inheritance, ada what we call disorder is male pattern baldness, botak lah, botak also is controlled by the sex link gene, located on the X chromosome. It is recessive. If you are male and your mother's father had it, you may get it, your grandfather lah, if you male and your mother's grandfather had it, you may get it. It is rare in female. Okay, muscular dystrophy, X small d or X small dy, also recessive. Skeletal muscle lose their normal structure and fibrous tissue develop in their place, caused by a recessive allele carried on the X chromosome and is sex-linked. So sex-linked gene, muscular dystrophy. Okay, now we go to Q&A session. Cikgu rasa macam tak ada pelajar nak jawab kan? A woman with normal colour vision whose father has red-green colour blind. When you this is objective question, passive question. Woman with normal colour vision. Father was red-green colour blind. Married, this woman married a red-green colour blind man. So what is the probability that the girl born to this couple will be red-green colour blind? Okay, anybody try to answer? Ada tak student? Macam tak ada So how you get the answer? What is the answer? Okay, tak ada The answer is 0.25. How we get this answer? Red-green colour blindness is sex-linked. So recessive condition, X small c is the chromosome with recessive allele for red-green colour blindness. Since the woman's father was the red-green colour blind, hence she is a carrier. So this woman is a carrier. So when carrier, woman genotype, parent genotype for this woman, X big C, X small c. Okay, remember to write X here, married, to the man that is a color blindness. Okay, so this is a very good diagram. So for gamete, it what we call a circle for the gamete. It is advised for the student to circle the gamete, but yes, sometimes it is not wrong. But you must make sure you put the X and also arrow. The arrow must have there, and then the genotype offspring. Yeah. So you have do the what we call this one, the what we call the line. Yeah. This is the correct diagram. The complete diagram. Sometimes we accept if you not put the circle for the gamete, but it's advisable for the student circle for the gamete. Yeah. And then when you combine the gamete for male and female, you must put the line here. So here X big C cross here, cross here, it is small c. So we get X big C, small c, XX. You must write the phenotype female carrier, because have X small c. Here for this gamete, X small c, cross here, X small c. So phenotype female blind, color blind. And then for Y, X big C, Y, it is a male. It is a male. X big C Y, it is a male, a normal or color blind, because it has big C, so it is a normal. And then here X small c Y, so it is a male color blind. Okay, the answer is 1/4 lah, 0.25. The answer is D. Okay. Alright. White eye color in fruit fly is inherited as a sex-linked recessive. This one is in fruit fly. Which of the following is the result obtained if a white female fruit fly is crossed with a red eye fruit fly? White eye female fruit fly crossed with the red eye male fruit fly. So you have to do the answer is A. You have to do the sketch. This is the objective question. But you have to what we call faster do the sketching to get the answer. Parent genotype. This one is female. Color blindness with the normal. Male color blindness. When you do sketch, just roughly. No need. Maybe it is maybe you don't have time to do the arrow. It is correct for objective question. So because it's the same. X small r. So it is combined with from here X big R. You can also draw both. Draw both, but it is the same. It is the same. If you feel safe to draw both for this same what we call genotype, X small r, so you do it. So what is the F1 generation? You get here X big R, X small r. Phenotype, red eye female. Here X small r, Y, so white eye male. Answer, all male have white eye and female have red eye. Female have red eye, male have white eye. Okay, cikgu rasa I just go through this question. Okay, this is a structure question. Across between a wild type, this is a structure question for the past year question. Across between a wild type red eye female and white eye male. So you have to check. This one is they give here the alphabet here big R for wild type red eye female and white eye male small r is shown in the diagram. So the eye color of Drosophila is a sex-linked trait. State the genotype for each of the above Drosophila. Okay, just state je. You just tulis saja. No need to explain. Red eye female. So red eye female because here the legend dia ialah big R. So X wild type so X big R. Two mark very simple this question. And then white eye male. Because male it has the Y for the Y chromosome for male X XY. So because white eye, so small big X, small R Y. So 2 marks. Okay, very easy this question. Okay, draw a genetic diagram to show the crosses until the F1 generation is produced, when the F1 generation is allowed to interbreed. So remember to put X here, 4 marks. So 4 mark here. So you have to, when you draw a genetic diagram, must draw here until F2 generation. So you have to draw alright. Ni tak ada the phenotype not what we call not right here. Suppose you have to write Suppose you have to write here the phenotype and genotype. So what is the phenotype here? Big R, X big R. Phenotype is female, red color. X small r y, male with white color. Ni satu kesalahan dia ialah, so 1 mark. Okay, just for gamete. Get 1 mark just for gamete. But here for to be safe, you have to write write the phenotype. Parental for genotype and for phenotype parental, and then draw the arrow. So for gamete, suppose it is not wrong if you not what we call circle, but it is very good if you can draw the circle. The must here is must have the arrow here and also here, cross, interbreed. X big R. So how get the F1 generation? You must put the line here, line. So F1 generation, X big R, X small r. Okay. Another you have to write here the phenotype. So 1 mark for gamete, 1 mark for F1 generation. F1 generation already get here. And then self cross. What is the self cross? Self cross for the F1 generation here. Here we get for X big R Y. So self cross. This is the female with red eye. This is the male with red eye. So for gamete, for F1 generation, we get X big R, X small r, and here X big R, Y. F2, cross until F2 generation, 4 mark. Okay, this is the for continuous for last page, F1. So and then F2, F2 generation, phenotype. Phenotype, you have to cross female and male, X big R, red eye female. Here X big R, Y, red eye male. So X small r, X big R, so X big R, X small r, red eye female because the red eye is dominant. Okay, X small r, Y, white male. So phenotype ratio 3 get red eye, 2 red eye female, one red eye male, and one is white eye. Yeah? Okay, reciprocal cross of the previous cross was carried out. Yeah, carried out. What is the reciprocal cross? Previous from the previous cross. Yeah, meaning when you cross, you have to. What is the reciprocal cross? A cross where the rules of male and female are reversed to confirm the result from an earlier cross. Yeah. So this one is the previous cross. Yeah. X big R, yeah, cross with X small r, Y. Yeah. So reciprocal cross. So you have to reverse. Yeah. So how? Okay. For female, you put the X small r. Yeah. Here is homozygous recessive kan. Here is X small r. So now we put the female have the X small r recessive, and for the male female white eye, for the male X big R, Y reciprocal cross. So the question asks you to write just state je. So here male red eye, just state if you do the diagram, maybe you cannot accept. So please write again. C1, so X small r, X small r. Okay. It asks, in the question asks you, what is the genotype for the parent when do the reciprocal cross. So X small r, X small r, and for male, X big R, Y. Just give the white eye female. This one. Must you have to what we call gives what we call have mentioned have mentioned female and male. If you not mention female and male, it not correct. Please write the complete. Please write the complete when you answer the question. Okay, draw a genetic diagram to show the cross until F1 generation. That one, the reciprocal cross. X small r, X small I, R. Okay, parental. So write the phenotype here. Female, white eye. Here must. How mark? Just one mark, but it's okay. Even you do more instead, but just write the X. If you not write the X here, it is wrong. So for the male genotype, X big R, Y, red male. Okay, and then for gamete, must have draw the line here. So gamete X small r, X small r, and then you have to cross here. First here cross to X big R, X small r. So get female red eye, and then X small r, Y, get here. X small r, Y, male white. And then X small r, X big R.
Cikgu FATHIAH, there's a question from a student.
We don't have time. We have
how
to
to get XR.
Okay, can you please repeat Cikgu ni? I cannot ni. What?
Okay, there is a question from a student, Low Kopan. He asked how to get
X small r, X small r.
Yeah.
This one. Oh, this one is reciprocal. Reciprocal cross here. In this question, a reciprocal cross of previous cross was carried out. So state the genotype of each parent Drosophila. this question asks you to do a reciprocal cross. What is the reciprocal cross? A cross where the roles of the male and female are reversed. So the first one here, the cross, it is because many action here. Okay. All right. So the first cross. What is the first? This is the first cross. Yeah. The previous cross. The what we call the male, the female have big R. The X big R for the female. The male X small r Y. So reciprocal. Reciprocal meaning we have to reverse. For the female, we write X small r. Yeah. For male, X big R. That's why we for C state the genotype of each parent Drosophila. The previous X big R. Here X small r Y. Y is for the parent kan, male. So reciprocal cross. So you have to reverse the result. So reverse X small r for the female. For the male, X big R Y. That is the reciprocal cross. Reverse. To confirm. So right, the red male. This is your draft. But when you answer, you must put C1. This is for male. Okay. Male, female, white eye. X small r. Female, white eye. For the male, if you not mention here, right here, the female white eye, the phenotype, it is wrong. You must give the complete phenotype, genotype. Complete answer. Male, X big RY, and red eye. Because it has the big R. Okay, is that answer the question? Okay, draw genetic diagram. Okay, so that one. Okay, sex-linked gene. 1 mark. Gene located on a sex chromosome. 1 mark. So maybe don't have time to go to another. This one is past question also for the hemophilia. Maybe this time I will continue. Okay. So this question just no need to draw. Sex-linked inheritance. State je. State genotype of Ali, Fatimah and Fatimah's father. 3 mark. Just state. Just give the answer. How you can give the answer? You have to draft lah. You have to write in your paper. No need to pass up lah. State, just state. This one no need. This legend also no need to write. Because in this question just state the genotype. This one is for structure question. Sorry, this is the structure question. No need to draw. Okay. Okay, how the Fatimah get the genotype? Because father is what we call hemophilia. So mother is normal. So this normal mother, hemophilia. So Fatimah is what we call women kan, female kan. So carrier probability is carrier 1/4 for the female, both 1/2 50% carrier. So Fatimah must have X big H, X small h. Okay, possibility of son and daughter of the couple having hemophilia, 2 marks. Okay, just right. So you have to do the Punnett square. Son.
Cikgu Fathiah, another 20 seconds. Okay.
Okay, I cannot see the question. Another what? Tak ada question, no question 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay.
So 1 minute. Yeah. So before you can answer the question, you have to do the Punnett square first. Yeah. Okay, see, possible. Also, you do the Punnett square. Yeah. That's all lah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So you put here x big hy, x small hy for the sun. Yeah. You get here. How to get the answer here? You must write the Punnett square. Yeah. You have this is Fatimah. Fatimah married with Ali. Ali normal father. You get one normal, not hemophilia. One is hemophilia. Daughter. Okay.
Cikgu Fathiah,
That's all. Yeah. We have to stop. Okay. Thank you very much. That's all for today that I can share for you. Yeah. I hope you can get the benefit from my sharing. Yeah. All the weakness is from me. Yeah. All the good is from Allah. I just share for you. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and you can also visit my channel, Cikgu FATHIAH66. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Okay. Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Cikgu Fathiah atas perkongsian ilmu yang sangat bermanfaat tadi. So, sangat mudah difahami dan sangat menarik. So, selesailah kelas kita pada petang ini. So, tahniah diucapkan kepada semua yang setia mengikuti kelas pada petang ini dari awal hingga ke soal akhir. So, sebelum kita tamat sesi siaran langsung hari ini, mohon tutup ruang chat and klik button subscribe untuk aktifkan ikon loceng supaya kamu tidak terlepas sesi kelas yang seterusnya. Sekiranya anda suka apa yang anda pelajari hari ini, sila klik like and share kepada rakan-rakan di social media anda. So, Facebook, Instagram untuk sebarkan ilmu dan memperoleh kebaikan melalui perkongsian tersebut. Okay, so sila type dan di ruang komen sebelum link sijil diberi sebagai tanda terima kasih kepada daripada cikgu kepada anda menyertai kelas tuition percuma pada petang ini. So link sijil boleh didapati pada bahagian chat, ruangan chat. Sila ambil perhatian, link tersebut akan tamat tempoh dalam masa 30 minit. Okay, so sampai pukul 5 petang. So pastikan anda menggunakan email e-didik sahaja. So sekali lagi ucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada Cikgu Fathiah atas kelas petang ini. So jangan lupa so terima kasih kepada semua. So access code untuk link sijil #kelas AYU e-didik semua huruf besar. So terima kasih kepada semua. So kelas tuition online percuma berakhir sudah. Di lain siaran kita berjumpa lagi. So bye.
Okay. Thank you.
COVID-19 semakin menular. Sekolah-sekolah terpaksa ditutup. Bagaimana dengan nasib pendidikan anak-anak kita? Sebagai ibu bapa, kita pastinya mahukan yang terbaik untuk anak-anak. Tetapi, mengapa bebankan diri dengan kelas tuition yang berbayar sedangkan ada yang percuma? Akademi YouTuber Malaysia, inisiatif dari e-didik dan Kelab Guru Malaysia, membawakan anak anda kelas dalam talian secara percuma, secara langsung oleh guru-guru dari seluruh negara. Maklumat lanjut, layari www.academyyoutuber.com.
Dibawakan kepada anda oleh Akademi YouTuber.